Before buying a spinning reel for saltwater, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Quality and durability are key when facing the harsh saltwater environment. And today, I'm breaking down the top 5 spinning reels that really stand out. Product number 1, KastKing Centron. The KastKing Centron caught my attention right away, especially with its attractive design and budget-friendly price at just $22.94. If you want an ultra-smooth reel that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Centron boasts a maximum drag of 17.5 pounds, which is crucial if you're targeting larger saltwater species. With its 9+1 ball bearing system, you get a smooth performance that's hard to beat in this price range. Plus, the CNC aluminum spool ensures even line lay, reducing the chances of tangles. Now, some people complained about its size being a bit limiting for bigger catches. Here's the thing though, it's designed for light to medium fishing, so if you're after smaller species or just starting out, this reel is a great fit. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or want an affordable option for light saltwater fishing. Skip this one if you're looking to reel in larger game fish consistently. At this price, it offers fantastic value for money. Now, if the Centron's size limits bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, KastKing Megatron. The KastKing Megatron is a head-turner with its unique design and solid price tag of $65.99. If you're looking for a reel that combines power with aesthetics, this might be it. This spinning reel brings a maximum drag of over 30 pounds, making it a beast for battling tough saltwater fish. The rigid aluminum frame adds durability without adding weight, which is a fantastic feature for long days on the water. With 7+1 stainless steel ball bearings, you'll appreciate the smoothness it provides, especially when setting the hook on a big catch. Now, some reviews mention the weight could be a concern for some anglers. But honestly, considering the sturdiness and power it delivers, it's a minor issue that most won't mind. This is perfect for you if you're an angler looking to tackle bigger fish without sacrificing comfort. Skip this if you want something ultralight for casual fishing days, but for the power and features it offers, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want high performance without the high price. Product number 3, KastKing Sharky III. Next up is the KastKing Sharky III, priced at $55.79. If you want a reel that packs a punch with its drag capacity, this is definitely one to check out. The Sharky III can handle up to 39.5 pounds of drag, which is perfect for saltwater fishing where bigger fish are the norm. The lightweight Nylitech body makes it easy to handle all day, while the KastKing Intrusion Shield System keeps water and dirt out, extending its lifespan significantly. With 10+1 stainless bearings, the smooth retrieve you get is honestly impressive. Some users did mention that it can feel a bit bulky compared to other models. But I'll be real with you, the trade-off for that power and durability is absolutely worth it if you're serious about your fishing. This is perfect for you if you're targeting larger saltwater species and want a reliable, durable reel. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultralight for casual outings. For the features you get, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something that's both powerful and lightweight, the next product might just hit the sweet spot. Product number 4, KastKing Spartacus II. The KastKing Spartacus II comes in at $39.09, and honestly, it's a great option for those who want reliability without a hefty price tag. If you need a reel that can withstand tough conditions, consider this one. It features a max drag of 22 pounds, which is more than enough for many saltwater fishing situations. The sealed design is a standout feature, allowing you to fish in harsher environments without worrying about the internals getting damaged. With 7+1 stainless ball bearings, you can expect a silky smooth operation even in choppy waters. Some users found it less powerful compared to pricier models. Here's the thing though, for the average angler, this reel offers solid performance and longevity, making it a smart choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable reel for both saltwater and freshwater fishing on a budget. Skip this if you're looking to target only larger species consistently. For the price, it's a fantastic option that won't disappoint. Now, if you want to step up even further in terms of performance, the final product on my list might just be your go-to. Product number 5. KastKing Sharky X. Finally, let's talk about the KastKing Sharky X, priced at $56.69. This reel offers an impressive combination of lightweight design and powerful performance. With a max drag of 39.5 pounds, it's built to take on significant challenges in saltwater. The high-speed 6:1 gear ratio ensures quick retrieval, perfect for those fast-moving fish. Plus, with 10+1 bearings, you get that ultra-smooth action you crave when fishing. However, some users expressed concerns about its weight compared to other models. But honestly, for the performance you're getting, it's something you can overlook if you're serious about fishing. This is perfect for you if you prioritize speed and powerful performance in your fishing adventures. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional reel feel. For what you pay, you're getting a top-tier product that can really elevate your fishing experience. So there you have it, the KastKing Centron for budget-conscious beginners, the Megatron for style and power, the Sharky III for those who want a lightweight powerhouse, the Spartacus II for reliability on a budget, and the Sharky X for high-speed performance. Each of these reels offers something unique, so pick one that matches your fishing style and enjoy your time on the water.